Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Afi bin Muhammad Azmi. I am student chemical engineering. So currently I am doing my industrial training at Zone Inspection and Service Sdn Bhd, which is this company is located at kawasan Perindustrian Jaka 3, Kemaman Cukai, Terengganu. My position in this company as a assistant inspector. So let move to the background of company. So Zone Inspection and Service Sdn Bhd is a private company which is owned by 100% local Bumiputra. And this company located at Kemaman, Terengganu since 2013. This company provide quality management service in oil and gas, construction, power and energy industries, marine, petrochemical industry, which is focused on inspection. What is mission for this company? The primary mission in this company is to provide to the client with the highest quality service to achieve the highest standard of quality, good service, cost, safety set with the time, target, objective, teamwork and efficient management. What is the vision of this company? The vision of this company is to increase capabilities, inspection and asset integrity, management service, and in accordance with standard and regulation. Several principles in this company, which is harness responsibility, fair, concern, discipline, visionary, and cooperation. Let's take a look the chart of organization in this company. So this is the chart of organization in Zone Inspection and Service Sdn Bhd. Okay, so this is our technical director Encik Rosli Hamid bin Zakaria. Meanwhile, this is our operation manager Encik Hairuddin bin Saufi. So what kind scope of service that this company provide? The scope of service that this company provide is: first, load testing, functional testing, drop testing, lifting gear inspection, pressure test, pull test, destructive testing, pad eye testing, crane inspection, visual inspection, and calibration service. Okay, so every morning we have an unofficial meeting that we call it toolbox, which is in this toolbox we must tell our progress in that day. We have several equipment for load testing, which is the first one is 110 ton horizontal test bed, and then 30 ton tensile machine, and then 30 ton A-frame and manual chain hose load tester. So I going through to the next presentation. I would like to present about lifting equipment. So one of the example of lifting equipment is webbing. So this is webbing sling. And for the information, each webbing have their own color code that show how many capacity of load that can be applied on that webbing. So for this example, the color of this webbing is yellow. So the capacity of load that can be applied on this webbing is 3 ton. So this is shaker. So for this example, the capacity load that can be applied on the shaker is 4.75 ton. And then this is chain block. So as we can see, the capacity load that can be applied on this chain block is 3 ton. Okay, next, this is lever block. Company, we will learn to do visual inspection, which is visual inspection is the first step in procedure before we going through to the load testing and magnetic particle inspection. So why we do visual inspection? Because we must see if the equipment have defect rejection criteria. If the equipment doesn't have any defect rejection criteria, so we will process for the load testing and magnetic particle inspection. And now we move to the load testing. So the function load test is to see the endurance each equipment or container to ensure safety to the client. So this is the example for load testing container by using 30 ton A-frame. And this is the example for load testing lever block by using 30 ton tensile machine. And this is the example for load testing webbing by using 30 ton tensile machine. Okay, we move to the magnetic particle inspection. So what is function of magnetic particle inspection? The function of magnetic particle inspection is to see any possibilities crack at the place that most pressure apply. So what can place that we need to do MPI? The place that we need to do MPI is at hook, pad eyes and master link. So for the example, the hook we can find in at lever block or chain block. For pad eyes we can find at the container. So how we do magnetic particle inspection? First of all, we must remove the pin at the place that we need to do MPI by using grinder. Then we spray at the place that we just grinder by using white contrast and wait until 1 minute. And last step, we place permanent magnet yoke at the place that we just spray, and then we spray at the place by using black in magnetic, and then we must check if any crack happen. So we move to the tagging. So this is the example of tag. So which is each tag must contain detail of item, test date and due date. Okay, for now I will explain for workflow inspection for lifting equipment or container. Okay, first, so the flow work for container. First of all, we need to do the visual inspection, and then we proceed to the load testing, which is the value of load testing. The load we can read on the load cell, and then we go through to the magnetic particle inspection on pad eye. Next, we place the new data plate at the container, which is the data plate contain the detail of the container. And the last one is place the new due date sticker. Okay, for the workflow for chain block and lever block, first of all, we must do visual inspection, and then we do a functional test. Which is functional test, we must check the safety lens and check the chain. If everything okay, we proceed to the load test. After we do a load test to the chain block or lever block, we must do magnetic particle inspection, and then we cleaning with anti-rust oil, and we place a new due date tag. Okay, we move to the workflow for webbing. First of all, we do the visual inspection on webbing, and then we proceed to the load test and we place a new date tag. Okay, for workflow of wire rope, we do a visual inspection to see any possibility of defect rejection criteria, and then we proceed to the load test and we do magnetic particle inspection on master link, and we clean with the anti-rust art, and we place a new date tag. And now we move to the workflow for leak test on total tank and water tank. For procedure for the leak test, opening and connection airway at the bottom of the tank, and insert an airflow within 0.8 bar until the pressure inside the tank become 0.2 bar. When the pressure hold on at 0.2 bar, stop the airflow and monitor the tank condition for 10 minutes to detect leaking. If leaking detected, find the source and repair. When 10 minutes passing by without any leaking, release the pressure and the test is success. For the hydro test, fill the tank with the water until full and pump water into the tank with water pump until the gauge at 6 bar. When reaching 6 bar, stop the water and inspect to detect any leaking for 10 minutes. If leaking detected, repeat. If the water tank doesn't have any leaking, release the pressure and the test is success. For the conclusion, what can I get from industrial training at this company? I can apply knowledge about OSH and I can earn a valuable experience from here. That's all from me, and thank you.